But this food has literally been hidden from us. But guess what? Ballin on a budget. Alright, so welcome to our next episode of Ballin on a Budget. We found a hidden gem this week. It's called Dobby's Hideaway Bar and Grill. You're probably not gonna know which part this is, but just to give you a hint, right across from the Spanish Town Depot. It's an easy location. But when we can see what we're going today, but don't want to break the pocket, Ballin on a budget. I have our appetizer. It's the barbecue wings and stamp and go. So our sauce, this is something. It's a guava glazed sauce. Woo! Oh, this is amazing. Alright. So our jerk chicken and our garlic butter yams. Let's have a look at this right here. Presentation 10 out of 10 right there. So if you want to get some healthy, why not get jerk chicken, garlic butter yam, and you have your veggies. Come on, man. And look at the presentation once again. Tell me you can see this. The jerk chicken, tender. The sauce, amazing. This is why I need to come and check out Dobby's Hideaway. But this food has literally been hidden from us. But guess what? Ballin on a budget. Well, there you have it. We had a full course meal here at Dobby's Hideaway Bar and Grill. And let me tell you, the total was $3,800. Just rewind that. $3,800. So this is why you need to come and check them out, because you can get good food, a good beverage, and you now broke your pocket.